So what exactly is an AI girlfriend chatbot? It's a virtual companion powered by cutting-edge technology designed to talk with you, flirt a little, and just listen when you need it. Think of it like a digital pen pal with a romantic twist. No judgment, no baggage, just there when you want them to be. I'm Amanda Pasciucco, certified sex therapist, PhD sexologist, and private practice owner, here to explore how AI is shaping relationships, intimacy, and the way that we connect in the digital age. Now, you might be wondering, why are guys turning to this? Well, I've seen it in my practice. Sometimes it's loneliness kicking in, especially after a tough day. Other times, it's curiosity, testing the waters with AI, or even a way to build confidence before jumping into real-world dating. Here's an action tip. If you're using an AI girlfriend chatbot, ask yourself, what's driving you to log in? That self-awareness can be a game changer. Here's the big question I know you've been waiting for. Does this make you weird? Let's get real from a therapist lens, because this is where my passion for healing and connection comes in. Using an AI girlfriend chatbot, it's not inherently weird. If it's easing your loneliness and giving you a safe place to vent, that's a win in my opinion. Studies show that human connection is vital, but sometimes a virtual chat can just be a stepping stone, like training wheels for your emotions. Here's the flip side though. If it's stopping you from reaching out to real people, we need to talk about balance. A tip. Set a boundary, maybe limit your chatbot time, and challenge yourself to call a friend instead. At the end of the day, it's your journey. If it feels good and it isn't hurting anybody, own it. But don't let it replace the raw, messy beauty of a human connection and that type of love. Like this deep dive, hit that subscribe button. I drop tips on relationships and mental health every week for you guys. Let me know in the comments. Have you tried AI chatbots? No shame here. I love AI. I want to hear your story. See you in the next one.